Good morning guys, welcome back for another video. So I was reset my car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the tire pressure indicator on the Nissan Qashqai 2011 model. I had some previous videos about Nissan Qashqai. There was a bit newer model that was from 2014 till 17 if I remember correctly. This one is a 2011 model. This is slightly different and this reaches till 2014 I think, and I'm going to show you how you can change the tire pressure indicator on this car. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel. It's Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, like my videos to help me develop new videos, help each other. Okay, let's start with this one. Before we start, turn the ignition on to the second position like this. Once you are here, we have to go through the menu, and you go through the menu by pressing this button. Find settings. Once you find settings, press and hold it to go to the sub menu. Once you are here, turn to this wheel. Once you hit maintenance, press it. Go to tire, press it. Find reset, and once you scroll to reset, press it only once, and then the indicator is gone and doesn't show up anymore on the dashboard. I hope you enjoyed my video. This was it for today, and I hope to see you next time with another video with another car. Don't forget to subscribe, and any questions, any comments, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe. Bye bye.